Making some black bean tacos. First, I'm going to start with my Mexican rice. Add some oil to my pan. A few onions. Whole grain instant brown rice. Now that this is nice and toasty, I'm going to add some chicken bouillon. This is Nora's chicken bouillon. I'm going to eyeball this for the tomato sauce. You could add water, you could add chicken broth, but since I have the bouillon in there, I'm going to go ahead and add some water. Just mix everything. For a bit of heat or spice, I'm going to add 1 sliced pepper. Bringing this up to a boil. Let it boil for a minute or 2. Then I'm going to turn the heat down to simmer and let it cook until it's fully done. A quick and easy way to make some whole grain brown rice. It's instant, it comes out delicious, and it's just really simple to toss together. Now that it's been boiling, I think that's good enough for me. I'm going to turn it to simmer, cover it, and let it cook until it's fully done. Now I'm going to move this to the back burner so we could get to making some black beans. These are just basic canned black beans. I did rinse them. I'm going to turn this down a bit, just tossing them in the pan. I want them rinsed because I just want a whole black bean. This is just something I do because I'm not making these myself and I'm not boiling dry beans. So to flavor these, you could use beef bouillon, pork bouillon, chicken bouillon. I have some chicken bouillon, so I'm going to add a bit to the pan. Hot red pepper flakes or crushed red pepper flakes. The chicken bouillon is high in sodium, so I'm going to add just a little sprinkle of some Himalayan pink salt, a sprinkle of some black pepper, adding just a bit of oil to my pan. I don't want these too saucy. I want to keep my beans whole for these tacos. I am going to add just a bit of canned fire roasted salsa. Not too much, just enough. Give these a bit of a toss. This is a very quick and easy meal. These are basically done. I'm going to cover them, turn them on simmer. If you're going to make whole bean black bean tacos, even if they're in the can, you do want to put them on simmer for a while because it does soften them up and the texture is just amazing and it tastes a lot better too. Now that these are done and the rice is done, let's toss this easy meal together. Street taco size flour tortillas. Quick and simple. I actually mashed my avocado right in the avocado. Do I need that much on one? I'm going to go ahead and take half of that. Put it here. Some lettuce. Some cheese. I think this one could use a little bit more. Let me get that pepper. tasty and delicious. Quick and easy to toss together. It doesn't get any better than that. Paired with some Mexican brown rice, and you're good to go for an easy lunch or dinner, or even breakfast. Make tacos whenever you like. Try these out. You're gonna love it. And I'll see you in my next upload. As far as the lighting, I'm trying a new setup. I think I'm gonna move my lighting and try something different. So if it is a bit bright or there's a glare, sorry about that. I just moved my kitchen around and I'm just changing things up. So right now I'm working with what I got and the situation as far as where everything's placed.